Did Halloween leave you feeling like you've eaten an entire candy factory? Don't worry, you're not alone. If you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or dealing with a serious sugar crash, I've got the perfect solution. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to detox your body and reset your blood sugar levels after a major candy binge. Whether you're worried about your energy, digestion, or overall health, stick around because these easy tips will have you feeling back to normal in no time. Hey there, and welcome back to Healthy Habits Haven. In today's video, we'll be tackling something most of us go through after Halloween: sugar overload. After indulging in those irresistible sweets, it's important to reset your system and manage your blood sugar levels to avoid energy crashes, mood swings, and that dreaded sugar slump. In this video, you can expect to learn some practical, science-backed strategies to detox your body, stabilize your blood sugar, and get your energy back on track. So, let's dive into it. 7. Sleep it off. Your body does its best detox work while you sleep. Make sure you get 7 to 8 hours of quality rest to allow your liver and other organs to recover from the sugar spike. Proper sleep also helps regulate hormones like insulin, which controls your blood sugar levels. 6. Cut out more sugar for the next 24 hours. Now, this might seem tough after indulging, but cutting out sugar for the next 24 hours is key to resetting your system. Avoid processed foods and sweetened drinks and instead focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 5. Take a magnesium supplement or Epsom salt bath. Magnesium is a powerful mineral that helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports detoxification. If you've overdone it on the candy, consider taking a magnesium supplement or soaking in an Epsom salt bath to restore balance. It's an easy and relaxing way to aid your body's recovery. 4. Get moving. Light exercise to burn off sugar. Exercise is another great way to burn off excess sugar in your system. You don't need anything intense. Light activities like walking, yoga, or even some gentle stretching can help lower your blood sugar and boost your metabolism. Plus, it'll get your endorphins flowing, helping you fight off that post-candy fatigue. 3. Start your day with a green smoothie. Kickstart your body's detoxification process with a nutrients-packed green smoothie. Use ingredients like spinach, kale, avocado, and a bit of unsweetened almond milk. Toss in a spoonful of chia seeds for extra fiber, and you've got a powerful reset drink that will get your digestive system back on track. 2. Balance your blood sugar with protein and fiber. After a sugar rush, it's crucial to eat foods that stabilize your blood sugar. Focus on meals rich in protein and fiber, like eggs, nuts, seeds, and veggies. These foods will help slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. First things first. Flush that sugar out with good old H2O. After a sugar binge, your body needs plenty of water to help your kidneys and liver work efficiently. Add lemon or cucumber for an extra detox boost. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses today, and you'll start to feel a difference in no time. And there you have it. 7 simple ways to detox your body and balance your blood sugar after a Halloween sugar overload. Remember, it's all about balance, so don't be too hard on yourself if you indulge. The key is taking these small steps to reset your body and feel great again. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Habits Haven for more health tips like these. Have a favorite detox method? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.